Hello. So today is the day that they're going to start priming these cabinets. They've got it taped off. These were the cherry cabinets over here, and he did an oil-based primer on these so to help prevent the bleed through of the cherry wood. So the progress is continuing. What you get to see of the progress is kind of slowing down. Here's some of the cabinet doors and drawer fronts. So there's not really much to update anybody on. I did get the stenciling done in here, and the cabinet maker came out yesterday to get his measurements to do the cabinets there and over here. And my cooktop and my beverage fridge is supposed to be here on Saturday, so that's a couple of days away. Anyway, that's all I have for you right now. Hopefully I can get this project wrapped up soon. It was crazy, y'all. It took the cabinet painter hours to tape off the cabinets that he was going to paint. And it took him like 20 minutes to paint them. They look great. I will update you when there's something to update you on. Have a great day. Bye.